Okay, last time in video 2, we've learned about how to play scales and cadences. And I explained that when you make a scale, major scale, we're gonna have 3 and 4 half steps, and then otherwise all whole steps except 7 and 8. Scale degree 3, 4, and 7 and 8 only have the half steps. For the minor scale, 1, 2, 3, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 5, 6, we're gonna have half steps. But in minor, this is called natural minor scale. But in this class, we're gonna play the harmonic scale, which has the 7th note step, half step higher than the original, the natural, to have the leading tone sound here. Okay, and the other one, the last one in the minor scale was 6th and 7th note both high, half step higher, and same as natural scale when it goes down. Okay, 3 kinds of minor scales that you need to remember. But from now on, I'm just gonna explain and play harmonic minor scale for all other keys. Okay, and then you can just practice the harmonic minor scale for this class. Now, let's move on to the next keys. I've explained about the circle fifth a little bit last time too. We just played C major. We're gonna move on to G major, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth. Perfect fifth higher. Perfect fifth. You're gonna learn this in theory, but to explain a little bit now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total of 7 half steps in this perfect fifth. Or you can count 1 whole step, 2 whole steps, 1 half step, and 1 whole step. Total 3 whole steps and 1 half step. That's gonna be the perfect fifth. Anyway, C to G, perfect fifth, and after G, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 after D. And next key, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, A. Okay, let's go down here, A, to go on. And next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will be E. Fingering group 1, right? They all share the same finger number, which are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and go back down. And same for left hand, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, go to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay? Okay. I'm just gonna play G major. Let's do the right hand first. G. Okay, just 1 octave. Oh, you're gonna play in this way. 2 octaves. left hand. Okay, this is too low. Start with 1 on G and change to 4. 3, 2, 1. Okay, and make sure you have 3 and 4 half step and 5, 6, 7 and 8 half step, right? So that you could have that sharp, one sharp in G major. Both ends. Okay, just 1 octave for both ends. Start with 1. Change to 1. Left hand here. This is important to change 1. And change to 3. Right hand. Okay. And from now on, I recommend you to play the cadence right after the scale finished. So, like I told you, when you play cadence, 1 chord, 1, 3, 5, right, of the scale, and then 1, 4, 6, 1, and 7th note, which is half step, like very below from G, and then 4, 5, 2. Okay. You can use your metronome if you have and set the tempo, slow tempo. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, you can practice with metronome and make sure your each finger is going like higher, so that you can stretch those fingers. This is how you separate your fingers. Practicing separating your fingers like this. Of course, you're not gonna play later. Like if you play faster later, you're not gonna move these fingers like that too much. But to make your fingers all separated, like you do stretch before you do a ballet or if you do the other workouts. This is kind of warm up when you play the piano, keyboard. Okay, so try to raise your other fingers when you play like this. So that your brain will recognize which fingers you're playing. Okay. Before we go on to D major, let's do G minor first, because this week's assignment is G major and G minor. Like I said, in C minor, G minor would have start with G, of course, the name of the key, and whole step, half step on 2 and 3, and then whole step 5 and 6. That's half step and whole step. This is natural. You're gonna make harmonic minor from here. It's same up to here, but instead of playing this whole step, you're gonna have one more half step up here and go back. Okay, with the correct fingering, left hand. 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay. If you're not good at this scales, if you're first to play these scales, I recommend you to play only one octave first, and then several times if you were hanging your fingers remembers your positions, your movements, then you could go on to another octave. Okay, and both ends, if both ends playing is too hard for you, you could just practice separate hands a lot and then just really slowly try your both hands together and make sure your left hand right after 1 changes to 4. Okay, and same 3s, after 3s your right hand changes to 1, right? And your left hand goes to 3 plays together and 1 together, and remember your right hand plays 4 3s together. After 3s your left hand immediately changes to 1 and right hand lastly changes to 3. And the cadence, 1 3 5, 1 4 6. Don't forget to put the flats. You see, right? Your 6 is E flat in G minor. In 1 chord, 5 7.